Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. And yeah, I'm in a garage today. This is not a barn find or anything like that. This is actually an update. Me and Hannah, we have now moved. We have moved from Ross-on-Wye and we're back in the Forest of Dean, so that's great. We needed to go move basically because we was in a one-bedroom property that we was renting, but we now need two bedrooms because we are expecting our first child in the new year. And we're both very excited, very excited. So we had to find a bigger place. And that wasn't the only problem. We had to also find space for our cars because our lease at the yard was only 6 months and then they was going to renew. But because we was moving, it was a bit farther away to travel for the yard and everything. We wanted to find a property where we could have our cars as well, which is not very easy. We was looking for about 2 months, which some people look for years, I know. But we became very fortunate when a property come up on Facebook, on one of the local pages. We took a look at it. They accepted us. They accepted the offers and everything. And here we are. We now have a 3-bedroom house with a lovely big garden just through that door there. A lovely long driveway with the MG4 Trophy on at the moment and the classic Fiat 500. The Alfa Spider and the Rover 400 is still at the old property, but our lease doesn't end for a few more days. So we're just trying to sort everything out. And in the garage, we have the Rover Streetwise, and we have a garage. And anyone in, mechanics working on cars and everything in the automotive world knows having a garage completely changes everything when you want to actually work on a car. And if you guys can't remember, this Rover Streetwise head gasket blew. Now, he's going to do an entire video on this when he's going to a show, but everything happening that day, which led to the head gasket exploding, we just couldn't film it because we was rushed. We were doing loads of things and that. We were trying to get there. We was pulling up in farms all over the country to fill up on water because the car was just losing water. But yeah, the head gasket's gone, and the plan was this was at the yard. We was going to put a tent up, and we was going to do the head gasket. But now we have a garage. We can actually work in here properly and everything. So this car's actually going through a full medium / restoration. We're not too worried about the body for now. We want to get the head gasket sorted, and we're going to strip the interior, clean it all up, and pull it back in because it just smells awful inside, damp. These Rovers, they're not watertight, they never will be, and we know that. Anyone who owns a Rover or lives in Britain know that these cars just, they rust. The head gaskets, the K-Series engine is the worst engine that was ever put in a car, and I don't know why they didn't put the Honda engine in the Rover 400 in this, but there it is. So this one's going to get worked on now in the garage. Now we got a space. We are going to paint the garage up, clean it all up, make it look tidier. Garage door will be painted for the inside, just make that look a bit nicer. Windows got to be blacked out. And then at the back where the freezer is, that's just a spare freezer for now. We are actually going to build a proper workbench in. So all around the back of here, this all get cleaned up. And there'll be a nice workbench put in, all the tools, everything to hand, which is going to be, again, it's great because you can just walk around to the car, get a part you need. You can still see condensation on the inside. This car's going to be completely stripped out and the interior will be all cleaned up. We do have a VAX, which will be handy as well. But yeah, we have a new property. I was hoping to get the 500 in here, so we actually put the Streetwise all the way back against the wall. That stuff was moved, but it was about a foot too short. But the Fiat 500 is heading off in a few days, going to a new owner, so it's not a big loss. And this is our first car we want to work on, get sorted, get him running again, get the interior sorted. Like I said, not too worried about the body work. Then he'll be on the road again, and we can use him, especially in the winter, because this was one of the best cars I've ever driven in the snow. So we want to get him back on the road, and then we're going to bring the Alfa Spider in. And again, the Alfa Spider's on a full restoration, and the bodywork and everything. So we're going to get that in here next and work on that. But with baby on the way, of course, it's not going to be overnight. It's going to be a longer, don't know, long it'll be to sort these cars out. We'll try and do it as we can. But there's a nail on the floor there. That's not great. But yeah, we want to sort that and then just potter around. But let me spin the camera. I do have some exciting news other than me and Hannah having our first child. We have got something on the way that should be here. I want to say a week, but it was meant to be last week. But we got something very big coming for all of us. For the dog, Batman. You've probably seen Batman, our border collie. For baby, for me and Hannah, we've got something coming that's very big. And another reason we went for a bigger property, because we need a big driveway. So yeah, we have got something on the way. It's been in the works for about 3 months now. It's hard to believe it's been 3 months, but yeah, something really interesting. Can't wait to do plenty of videos on it, and yeah, do some proper road trips. So that's just a quick video. We have, like I said, a new house. We're gonna get the streetwise sorted, and then we can get working on the spider. Video is gonna be staggered over the next few weeks up to Christmas. I'll try and get some more in, but I am putting a lot of shorts up at the moment. If you check out my channel, because when we're out and about, I'm not filming, but we see so many nice cars, and then we start chatting to someone about their car, and I just do a quick video of their car and everything. The last one I just put up was the AMR or Aston Martin Vantage, which is one of only 2 that's UK registered, or registered on the road in the world, I think, which was crazy. I was just happened to be there on the day, and I saw this trailer, and I said to my friend, like, there's a supercar now. We waited and that came out. But yeah, do check them out. I know a lot of people enjoy watching them. And yeah, we will do a full rebuild on the engine of this one. Hannah's dad's going to be helping us out. And we are filming everything on that. And then what's coming and everything. Yeah, it's going to be great. So please remember to like and subscribe. If you want to see more on this channel, more about the garage, I've hit 500 subscribers. So thank you very much. And yeah, next coming weeks will be very, very interesting. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.